In Bhind, BJP MLA Narendra Singh Kushwaha had a fight with Collector Sanjeev Shrivastava. Farmers were protesting about a shortage of fertilizers. The MLA joined them and shouted slogans. He blamed officers for ignoring farmers' problem. When the collector came to talk near the gate, Kushwaha lost his temper. He used bad words and tried to raise his hands. The incident caused tension. Opposition parties asked for action against the MLA. His supporters said he was just supporting the farmers. The video spread quickly. Now this issue may be discussed in the Madhya Pradesh State Assembly very soon. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh gave a strong speech at Ran Samvad 2025 in Mau. He said India wants peace and doesn't wish to take any land, but India is ready to protect every inch of its own land. He told the audience that the country must stay united and strong. Singh praised the army and thanked them for their bravery. Many army officers and cadets were present. The crowd clapped for his words. He promised full help from the government to the armed forces. His speech showed India's clear stand on national security and self-defense. Rahul Gandhi said the election in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Haryana were stolen. He spoke during his voter right yatra in Muzaffarpur, Bihar. Earlier, Congress did not speak up because of no proof, but Rahul now says he has strong evidence from Maharashtra. Former CM Kamal Nath shared a video clip and said Rahul is telling the truth. Rahul repeated that the 2023 MP election was not fair. This has started a big debate again in the state. BJP leaders denied the claim. They said the election was free and fair. The issue is getting attention again. In Indore, Shraddha Tiwari, a second-year Gujarati college student, has been missing from the MIG area. Her family has hung her photo upside down outside their home. A ritual followed earlier by missing girl Sonam's parents. They also announced a ₹51,000 reward for anyone who finds her. Police have collected CCTV footage from 3 locations and are searching. The unusual rituals has drawn local attention as many believe it helps in the safe return of missing persons. The family remains hopeful for Shraddha's return. Authorities in Bhopal have begun measuring 99 acres of land in Anantpura near Kokda bypass. Starting at 11 am, 3 revenue inspectors and 12 patwaris work under SDM Ravish Kumar Shrivastava and Tehsildar Saurav Verma. During the survey, red circles were marked at spots found encroached. This action comes after 23 days in which officials demolished 7 illegal properties and freed government land worth ₹125 crore. Locals fear further demolition as the Machli family's illegal possession is being checked. The land belongs to the Animal Husbandry Department. The issue of 27% OBC reservation in Madhya Pradesh has taken a new turn. The case is pending in the Supreme Court. One day before the all-party meeting called by the state government, MP Public Service Commission filed a new petition. MP PSC requested the court to withdraw the counter-affidavit it had earlier filed against selected OBC candidates. This development may change the case direction. Political parties are closely watching as OBC quota remains a sensitive and crucial topic in MP politics. In Khargone, Constable Rahul Chauhan filed a complaint after Reserve Inspector beat him with a belt over a missing pet dog. Rahul also alleged caste-based slurs by the inspector and his wife. The incident, which occurred August 23rd, surfaced after a video showing his injuries went viral. Authorities have launched an investigation and action against the Reserve Inspector is expected. The case has sparked outrage among locals demanding justice. Just 4 days after opening, Madhya Pradesh longest flyover in Jabalpur has become a hot spot for risky bike stunts. Youths and minors have been filmed performing dangerous tricks on the 7-kilometer bridge. With videos going viral on social media, police warn such behavior risks accidents and have promised strict action against violators. Citizens demand installation of speed breakers and CCTV cameras to ensure safety on this newly inaugurated flyover. Ganesh Chaturthi celebration kick off across Madhya Pradesh with grandeur. At Indore's Khajrana Ganesh temple, the deity was adorned with 5 kilograms of gold ornaments valued at nearly ₹5 crore. In Ujjain, devotees offered prayers to 3 forms: Chintaman, Ichhaman and Siddhivinayak at Chintaman Ganesh temple. Huge crowds thronged temples and in some places 1 lakh laddus were distributed as prasad. This year's festival is especially auspicious due to rare alignment of Chitra Nakshatra, Bhadrapad Chaturthi and Wednesday. Weather official warn of heavy rainfall starting August 28th in southern Madhya Pradesh as a new weather system activates. No heavy rain alerts was issued for August 27. Meanwhile, tragedy struck in Narsinghpur where 45-year-old Guddu Jat drowned in the fast-flowing Singri River. Rescue teams recovered his body. Farmers are hopeful rains will boost crop, but authorities cautious about possible waterlogging and swollen rivers, urging people to stay alert and prepared.